In this video, I'm going to review Larry Benedict's brand new special report, the Gold Multiplier, where he basically talks about the reasons behind the surging price of gold and his favorite way of profiting from it, and making far more profit than just simply buying, selling and holding gold. So I'm going to give you an overview of this report because it is fascinating. I'm also going to give you the stock in it as well. What I'm also going to do is, obviously, if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in the service. I'm going to show you around the One Ticket Trader members area. I'm going to show you what you get, show you some of the special reports you get, and talk a little bit about Larry's trading strategy. And then at the end of the video, I am going to give you my opinions on the service, having been a member since 2021. So with that said, let's get on with the video. So big idea for the report. Basically, Larry goes on to say that obviously gold is surging at the moment. And it's no secret why gold is surging because there's so much uncertainty out there. When there's, with all of the geopolitical, conflicts happening and potentially happening, the economy uncertain, there's lots of uncertainty out there. And when there's uncertainty, the money flows into gold. Why? Because gold is the best store of value we have. And that is why gold's price is surging, because all of the smart money is flowing into gold and out of currency because it is just a smarter store of value. But this is where Larry's seeing a massive opportunity, because if you want to make money on gold, trading gold at the moment, just buying and selling, then the upside for you is going to be extremely limited because gold's price has been surging. But what Larry talks about is a smarter way to profit from gold without having to buy and sell. And to do that, Larry uses options trading to trade gold. And basically, I'm not going to go into it massively. I'm just going to give you an overview. The stock that Larry is trading on is the SPDR Gold Trust, or GLD. And how this plays out is basically Larry looks for reversals in the price, because when the price shoots up and goes above its moving average, that means at some point soon the price of gold is going to snap back towards the moving average, and this is where we can make profits. And to do that, Larry uses options, which is basically a specialized form of trading using options contracts. So rather than buying shares in the SPDR Gold Trust, we're using an options contract, and each option controls 100 shares. And basically, where you make money is not from the shares themselves, but the premium, because for every contract you buy, you pay a price per share to take that contract out, which is called the premium. And obviously, if you make more premium than you did buying it, you're basically making profit. And basically, if the price of gold in the SPDR Gold Trust is going up, you buy a call option. If it's falling, you buy a put option. And that is really the strategy in essence. But obviously, knowing when a reversal is coming is where Larry's skilling. And basically, in order to play this strategy out, Larry is going to give you the exact details of how to trade options, the whole section of how you trade options, how to place an option, but also the price points and all of the specifics of each option you want to buy. So that is the report. I think it's a great strategy because gold, just like every other commodity out there, is, it's going to experience volatility. And with gold prices shooting up, there's going to be reversals. And this gives us plenty of profit opportunity. So I rate this report. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. Fantastic report. So if you want to join One Ticket Trader and get that report and start placing Larry's trades, I'll leave a link to his One Ticket Trader service down in the comment description below, where you get that report and all of the other reports completely free for just trying Larry's service out. So here we go. This is the members area. This is the issues and updates. So basically this is where you get his Ask Larry Anything, which is his newsletter or any other updates he has, but also his trade alerts. So this is what the trade alerts will look like. So basically in the trade alert, you'll be given all of the details of what option to buy so you can start making money trading. And let me tell you, Larry has been on absolute fire this year. I think the average profit return on his options trades is somewhere between 30 and 50%. I haven't got the exact, 30 to 50% profit, but some of them been over 100% returns, and this can happen in a couple of days. And Larry has barely lost. Yes, he has lost some trades this year, but I think he's on an 80 or 90% win rate. So Larry, if you want to basically make money on stocks using options, Larry is your man. He's pretty much the best guy out there for it. Also, you've got the special reports. This is his latest one. This is a really good report. It's his strategy of how to play the number. It's the number one retirement play in US energy. So basically, it's a different and alternative way to profit off the AI boom using options. Brilliant strategy. I've just reviewed that for you. You've got other reports. So if you're all in on AI, basically, how to spot AI hype spike trades, which is when, you can get in with options on AI stocks. You've got one for crypto. You've also got one for Tesla, how to trade options with Tesla, and all of these other reports. You get them all free for joining One Ticker Traders. So if you want to join, link in the comment description below, and you get all of that for free. Then you've got the portfolio as well. And that is pretty much everything you get. So that is everything you get with One Ticker Trader. I've been a member since 2021. I've placed a load of Larry's trades and I've done really well off it. I use it to make extra income and to boost my retirement fund. Some of my trades have done really well. Made 80% a trade. Some even over 100% returns on each trade. And some of these trades are only in for a couple of days. So yeah, and the beautiful thing is you only need about $500 to get started as well. If you've got $500 or more, then this is the strategy for you, because it's just a different way, many ways a more profitable way for consistently making profits from stocks and the stock market without just sort of buying, holding and selling shares using options. Rate the service 5 out of 5. It's the best options advisory service out there. So if you're interested in joining and giving it a go, link in the comment description below. Do believe you can join for $79 and you get a 30-day money back guarantee as well if you don't like the service. So link in the comment description below. Give it a try. That's what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.